Hey, it's Trace. I'm making my beef, pepperoni, cheese filling for my empanadas, which I have, the dough is a different video. Hot pan, cold oil, food won't stick. This is a pound of ground beef. Heat's on medium-high. Well, now it is. A little frozen in the middle still. That's fine. Give it a shush. And my trick with ground beef always is add a little bit of water. When you're frying it, turn it up a little bit. And the water cooks the beef. I think it makes it more tender, and it absolutely stops it from going woolly, which is, it keeps the pieces short. So do that, crank it up higher. Okay, I'm back. Look, the water has all evaporated. The meat is cooked. Trust me, you need to try it this way. It really keeps that meat tender. And look, there's no great big hunks of it. I used the food processor this morning only because I had made the dough in it. This is 1 carrot, 1 piece of celery, 1 onion, 1 gigantic garlic clove. So, oh, it smells delicious. At this point, from this point, you can do whatever you want. You could add whatever flavorings you want. If you want to go sort of cumin and coriander and olives and briny, delicious. But as I said, I'm doing pepperoni and cheese, kind of a knockoff, I guess, of a pepperoni roll pizza. I don't know. I was in the mood for pizza, and this is what I'm doing because I didn't want to make pizza. And the nice thing about these empanadas is when I fill them and bake them, I can keep them in the freezer forever. So anytime I want one, just go get one. Okay, so the veggies fried off a little tiny bit. Let me get some water. I chopped up half a packet of pepperoni into little tiny squares. So I guess, what, 3 ounces? Because how much are those? This is the pre-sliced stuff. I have no, I'm not precious about it at all. What's that, about a tablespoon? Tomato paste. And fry that around until the tomato paste goes brown-ish. See, because you've cooked it off in water with the meat, there's no real extraneous fat sort of hanging around. It sort of, I don't know how, it stays in the meat, keeps the meat more tender. I don't know the science. Just do it that way. Trust me. Give it a try. Life's too short not to wing it. So I've added salt and pepper. I have this is just an Italian seasoning blend. I get it at the bulk. A teaspoon of that, healthy. Squish it and rub it between your fingers when you drop it in. So see, the tomato paste is starting to brown. It's on the bottom, which is nice. I'm not adding flour or anything to thicken this because I want it to, I still want the meat to be sort of loose in there. A little bit of water. How much? Oh, I don't know how much that was. Just enough, see, to kind of juice it up. Juicify it. Like that. And I'm going to throw a lid on. A little bit more. I'm going to throw a lid on this, turn it down to low, let it simmer for a while, probably 20 minutes or so, which is good because my dough is resting in the fridge for half an hour, so this puts it all done at the same time. We love that. Okay, so I'm gonna let this go for about 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna pull it off the heat and let it cool because I can't use it hot. So when this is cool, and I'm not gonna do anything else to it. Well, I'll taste it because, you know, I'm here for you. And then when it's cool and the empanada dough has rested, I'll come back together and I'll make empanadas. Okay, go read a book, have a glass of wine.